So we're starting with an interesting proposal for you to consider, which we will be calling Project Humanity. After all, we are looking at how we can re-establish basic humanity for every living thing. So let's call it a spade, Project Humanity, and we're going to do this through lifestyle experiments. Now obviously, what is lifestyle? Lifestyle is the way we live according to our faith and belief. That means it is the way we live because of our make-believe world that we have accepted as real, and it is the way we have accepted our reality to be the reality of our apparent choice. Now we have to do some experimentation to establish if we are in fact utilizing effective common sense method to establish what is real and what is not. Because if we look at it within lifestyle in this world, we have a problem, because the lifestyle of some is extensively abundant, while the lifestyle of others are extremely based in poverty and abuse. So obviously our whole structure of lifestyle has got a problem somewhere, and we have not done sufficient research to establish where is the problem in our lifestyle in the world. And we require thus a way to be able to investigate this for ourselves individually, and then what I suggest, one actually do it on camera, or you do a vlog about your lifestyle experiment, and then you share it with the world. Let's share as many lifestyle experiments as possible with the world. I will give you some examples of things to consider to do lifestyle experiments on. Obviously, the interesting thing that is claimed and which forms a major part of our lifestyle in the world is the whole idea around energy. That you can apparently feel somebody's energy, you can apparently bath in someone's energy, you can apparently see someone's energy, you can apparently project this energy, and you can go and travel the astral planes. You can actually walk into a room and feel the energy, and you can, for instance, look at Sunette and say that she has a poisonous personality, all of it, which is like fascinating. The question is, how do you establish these claims of lifestyle? I mean, how do you make yourself believe what you say is true and real? Can you subject your beliefs to experiments and record it to prove that your actual experience with energy is real? So I suggest, as a first experiment, we start with the sex and orgasm experiment. What you want to do in this experiment, and obviously we can look at many different ways of doing it, is you want to actually prove whether your energy, that which you feel about a person, you can actually use that to move another person's energy until they go to orgasm. And therefore you have to sit in two different chairs, have your camera rolling, and you project your sexual prowess and energy, and you take with energy alone, without words. The other person must just sit and breathe, wait for this amazing energy to flow into them and to take them to the heights of orgasm. You want to record this on camera to prove once and for all if it is possible to move another person to orgasm using energy, and whether you actually need just a dick and a vagina, and whether all the energy that moves are actually just your own ever, and that nobody can actually ever give you an orgasm. You are only giving it to yourself. You're always masturbating. Way to do it, as the suggestion is, to do the great lifestyle experiment around sex and orgasm to see if energy are actually projected and used within the process of orgasm, and whether you have to actually get the person to hear words and sounds and so on, so they can generate the organism themselves. Are there any transfer of energy that takes place? So we call this experiment, lifestyle experiment 1. Orgasmic sex questioned. I will be sharing more of these ideas on what we can do lifestyle experiments on further interviews.